Hey y'all, so don't let my appearance fool you. I was finally able to take a shower last night. As some of you know, we had a hurricane hit my part of Texas, Hurricane Beryl, depending on how you pronounce it, and has left a lot of damage. We are on day 5 with no power and no water because we're on a well. We did have a lot of water stored, but we are running out, so in the next few days we'll have to start getting water from the lake across the street. We don't know when we're going to get power back, but they started delivering mail again yesterday. I did get to go take a shower and clean up at my parents' house because you wouldn't have wanted to see what I have looked like in 100-degree weather with 100% humidity with no air conditioning. Man, it's crazy around here. People are very grumpy. But anyway, my mail came and I got 2 things that I had ordered before the hurricane ever came. The first one is this little ladybug house, which has a little door here, as you can see. This is not sponsored content. I ordered this off of Amazon and I'll put a link below. It seems to be made pretty well, but you can also make your own. And the reason I got this ladybug house is because I ordered 1,500 ladybugs to release in my yard. We have an aphid problem, among other little critters. Now, ladybugs, I'm going to read what it says. Pests controlled naturally without harmful pesticides, which is why we ordered it. I can spray all my plants with bug spray, but we try to garden organically. Yes, there are organic chemicals out there, but anyway, we're trying the natural way first, and I never see any ladybugs here. I need to put in some more ladybug friendly plants, but we'll see if we can keep these guys around. I don't know if you can see, they come live, they're moving around in there. So anyway, it says for the control of aphids, whiteflies, scales, mealybugs, spider mites, and also many soft body insects. So if you don't have any ladybugs in your garden, you might go on Amazon or another website and order you some to see if you can fight some of these little garden pests naturally. At least that's a good place to start. And if they don't stay in my yard and they fly away, well, at least they're benefiting somebody in my area. That's fine, and we'll order some more next year. So anyway, like I said, they come live and they don't even really look like ladybugs yet. You want to release them in the evening for best results. You want to water the area first. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to have Tommy put up the cute little ladybug house nearby and hope that the ladybugs stay and take care of my aphid problem and a few other problems I'm having. This is just our first attempt, and this is probably something we're going to start doing annually. This isn't the only bugs I'm going to be releasing. This is just the first one. And they don't care that we just had a hurricane. They just want out of this little bag. So let's get the bug house. So let's get the ladybug house hung, and then we'll release the ladybugs. Now you're supposed to hang it about 3 feet off the ground. So we're going to hang it right here on this little oak tree in the front yard. Tommy pre-drilled a couple of holes in that little opening there because I don't like the hanger on the back. Will you show him the hanger on the back? That little hanger, that won't stay on that tree very long. First good wind, it'll blow off. So Tommy pre-drilled some holes.
Not that high?
Yeah, that's good. Alright, our ladybug house is hung.
Anyone home? Hello? It's your friendly neighbor.
Not yet.
Come take care of our garden.
Okay, so I have opened the bag and I'm not dumping them. I'm letting the ladybugs come out on their own. Actually, some of them do look like ladybugs. I guess I was just seeing the underside of them. But anyway, I have placed them at the base of this rose bush here. Just gonna let them. I've already watered this area. I had to do it. Ooh, I have ladybugs on my hand. I had already watered this area with bottled water because we don't have water since our power's off, but I did water this area real well. Let's just watch them for a few minutes and see what happens. I'm not going to release them all on this same plant. But I am going to let quite a few of them come out. And while they're doing that, I'm going to go water. They're crawling on my hand and bracelet. I'm going to go water an area under another rose bush. And I'm going to release some there. So I'll be back in just a second. And here's the second rose bush that I'm releasing them under. Let quite a few of them crawl out here. I'm going to move the bag closer to the base of the rose. And I hung the rest of them in this tree because I know there's some things here that they would like to eat. So we're going to let the rest of them come out here on this tree. I did put some here in the ladybug house. You can see a ladybug there in the little hole, and you can see some in there. So I'm going to shut the door. So that's all there is to releasing ladybugs. I hope you guys give natural, organic methods like this a try before you go straight to using the chemical pesticides. Like I said, it's not a waste to release these. Even if they choose not to stay in my garden, they will go and bless someone else's garden. Hopefully some of them will stay here and help fight my pest problems. So I'm going to get back to hurricane cleanup. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.